Conduction, convection and radiation, the different types of heat transfer. Let's study about conduction by observing a simple experiment. Take an iron nail, hold one end of the nail with your fingers, and keep the other end at the flame of a lighted candle, as shown in the picture. After some time you can feel hot at your fingers, even if the end you are holding is away from the fire. It is because heat is transferred from one end of the conductor to the other end, due to the motion of the particles. This way of heat transfer occurs in a conductor is known as conduction. So we can define conduction as flow of heat energy from a region of high temperature to other regions with low temperature by the interaction of particles. For example, if you put a metallic spoon in a hot pot of coffee, after some time spoon become hot and difficult to touch it. It is because heat is transferred from the hot coffee to all part of the spoon. Convection, heat transfer method generally occurs in fluids is known as convection. Liquids and gases are examples of fluids. Unlike solids, particles of the fluids are free to move because of space between the particles. So when a fluid is heated, the particles start moving fast due to the increase in kinetic energy, resulted in transfer of heat from one place to another. When water is heated, the water particle near to the heat source become hot and start moving upwards. The cold particles on the top will move towards the bottom, as shown in the figure. This process continues till the whole water become hot. Heat transfer in water is an example of convection. So we can define convection as the transfer of heat due to the circulation or movement of the heated particles or part of a gas or liquid is known as convection. Sea breeze and land breeze are occurred due to the convection of air particles above sea and land. During daytime, land get heated faster than water. The air over the land get heated and raise upward, so the cooler air from the sea rushes towards land due to density difference, and the warmer air from the land move towards sea to complete the cycle. This movement of cooler air from sea to land is called sea breeze. During night time, water cools down very slowly compared to land. The warm air over the sea raise upward, so the cooler air from the land rushes towards sea and the warmer air from sea move towards the land. The movement of cooler air from land is called land breeze. Radiation, as we all experiencing sun's heat from the earth, even through empty spaces, vacuum, heat of the sun reaches earth. It is because sun transfer heat through radiation. Radiation is heat transfer occurs as electromagnetic waves. A hot body emit heat as electromagnetic waves. Radiation can transfer through vacuum or through any medium, solid, liquid and gas. So we can define radiation as emission or transfer of heat energy in the form of waves or particle, through the space or through any material medium.